Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off from the list. And when the device turns off, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment you will see the NUBIA logo, at which point you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options. We have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have wipe data, which consists of factory reset, and that's about it. Power off and advanced option, which... there we go. Which consists of safe mode, view recovery logs, and back to previous page. So anyway, I'm gonna select reboot system now, which will take me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.